We like to call them Volvo's own in-house detectives. You could also call them our own CSI team, with a little twist on the famous acronym, because this amazing group of people act as our crash scene investigators. The Volvo Car Accident Research Team works to make sure that we learn from real-life accidents and constantly improve our cars. The team has been in operation since 1970. They're constantly on call, and whenever an accident involving a Volvo occurs around Gothenburg, Sweden, they quickly get to the scene. As they arrive there, the investigations start. They document and figure out the sequence of events as detailed as possible. The work continues back at the office. Police reports are requested, the driver is contacted, and the car is examined. How are the passengers? How forceful was the impact? How quickly did the active safety systems intervene? It's all part of vital data gathering. A lot of effort is also spent understanding how the driver experienced the accident. What was the cause of the accident? This involves the safety centre's behavioural scientists. Other questions include: what was the weather like? What was the time? In what conditions were the road markings? Finally, the team will ask people involved in the accident to share their medical records, which also allows the team to take note of any injuries sustained. These are later analysed by experts in biomechanics in cooperation with physicists to understand the exact cause of the injury. By figuring out and analysing what has happened during each phase of the accident research team provides relevant information on what could be improved. All the data and knowledge they collect is shared with Volvo's product development teams, who use it to develop and implement new technologies in upcoming cars. This is what allows Volvo to constantly be at the forefront of safety development. The accident research team is far from the only source of research data for Volvo's safety experts, but it plays an important role. Accidents do still happen, but the consequences are much milder now, and serious injuries are much rarer than they used to be. The team's hard work and research allows Volvo to make sure that a tragic traffic accident can lead to something good. Ever safer cars.